Okay, so this is please come to Walmart. Ding. Our little dog. We need, this is our writing now, to give you, not the writing in here, a shot. The ones that are only white and orange in them are the ones that we wrote, but the ones that have all the colors stuck around them and the black letters, those are the ones they wrote. Shot. A shot. We need to give you a shot. But I am too scared. Do not, oh, thank you, Mom. Be shy. You will barely get hurt. You know what? You're right. Let's go. And bye.